Complete collapse. Catastrophic truck situations. A specialized machine built for massive scale logging operations. The Timberjack 1110 weighs over 32,000 pounds and uses a nearly 170 HP diesel engine with an 8-wheel drive system to continuously haul and lift logs stretching dozens of feet long. Its massive hydraulic arm constantly extends outward before locking tightly onto each timber using an extremely powerful steel grapple. Wow, one of the most powerful trucks ever built. This flame-throwing truck uses an engine that feels like a rocket, producing unbelievably powerful thrust and raw force. As the machine races forward at insane speed, the entire road shakes violently beneath it. You've probably never seen a machine this crazy before, right? A massive fire suddenly erupted in the middle of the city as huge flames burst violently into the sky. The large truck suddenly caught fire, but after a tense moment, firefighters arrived quickly and used massive amounts of water to bring the blaze under control. Pray for this truck by commenting 1 below. Hundreds of tons of massive logs are transported by this powerful train. The EMD GP38 uses a 1.6-cylinder diesel engine producing around 2,000 HP to pull heavy timber trains across long railway tracks deep through the forest. Weighing hundreds of thousands of pounds, the massive train slowly rolls forward as the sound of grinding steel echoes throughout the valley.
Going back south to Green Bay. Market must be good for iron right now. Normally when they be sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Make a comment below. Mark on Twitter. What's that? Oh, the macro looking yellow.
The sound of crashing timber echoes across the logging yard. The Single uses a multi-axle drive system and a diesel engine producing over 300 HP to haul dozens of tons of timber through muddy terrain. Its hydraulic grapple arm continuously swings with immense force, lifting logs weighing thousands of pounds and placing them precisely onto the truck bed. Subscribe now to keep watching giant machines conquer some of the most dangerous jobs in the world. The outdoor plowing competition has reached its final showdown. The most impressive machine here has to be the Volvo BM. Powered by a diesel engine producing over 300 HP and an extremely powerful drivetrain, the giant tractor charges across the dirt track at high speed while enormous clouds of dust explode behind it. It tears through the ground with incredible force, launching soil everywhere as the massive plow crushes through the terrain. The Caterpillar 992K weighs more than 220,000 pounds and uses a diesel engine producing nearly 1,700 HP to push massive boulders through the mining site with tremendous crushing force. Its high-powered hydraulic system continuously lifts and drives the giant bucket into the ground, breaking apart rock layers weighing dozens of tons. The muddy ground is so slippery that moving becomes extremely difficult. These two powerful tractors have to work together to escape the dangerous terrain, but every movement turns into a tough struggle against the deep, unstable mud. You've probably never seen a machine this unusual before. The Robin Transporter TR 5820 weighs over 100,000 pounds and uses an extremely wide track system to move across deep mud and dangerously slippery mining terrain. The massive machine works together with excavators to maximize hauling efficiency and maintain high productivity in harsh working conditions. Even giant machines can end up in serious trouble like this. The Terex TR60 weighs more than 44 tons and uses a diesel engine producing nearly 600 HP. Now secured onto a heavy-duty recovery trailer, the enormous mining truck is slowly pulled away from the danger zone as the rescue team carefully navigates the rough terrain. Its massive suspension system and gigantic steel frame shake violently with every bump along the uneven road. The accident happened suddenly as the truck plunged into a deep pit. The front of the truck lifted almost straight into the air, leaving it completely unable to move without help from another machine. This is where the power of the Caterpillar excavator truly shows itself. Using its powerful engine and massive hydraulic arm to successfully rescue the stranded truck.
ขึ้นมาแล้วขึ้นมาแล้ว
The perfect duo. The excavator weighs more than 50,000 pounds and uses a hydraulic system powered by nearly 170 HP to load tons of dirt into the dump truck within just minutes of continuous operation. If you love these two powerful machines, comment 1 below.
ถือว่าแรงดีอยู่นะ XM
Escort sirens echo loudly across the highway. The Volvo FH16750, weighing tens of thousands of pounds, is being transported on a massive heavy-haul trailer as an escort convoy stretches across the highway. Under the scorching heat, the giant machine looks powerful enough to burn the road beneath it. Here is a shocking scene of a garbage truck catching fire after a battery was thrown into the trash bin. It's extremely dangerous, isn't it? Even a small battery can destroy an entire truck. Thick smoke continues rising higher and more violently as the fire rapidly spreads. The Okerman H9MB weighs more than 35,000 pounds and uses a powerful hydraulic system for digging earth and breaking rock. Its long excavating arm continuously drops down before pulling massive bucket loads of soil from the ground with strong, steady precision. Don't forget to subscribe for more dangerous giant machinery accidents and dramatic heavy equipment rescue moments.